Okay, what are you supposed to do for the timeline in the science project? Here we go. For the timeline first, all you have to do is use your outline that you submitted to me the other week with your year and your event. Okay, so you already have your year and the event that you're using. Now here is the part that you get to choose. You want to do it on paper. All you need to do is get a piece of paper. If you want it long, you can get 2 pieces of paper and put them together like this.
Like this, right?
And then here's your next choice. If you're doing it on paper, you can choose, do you print out your pictures and glue them on? Or do you draw an illustration of that moment, right? So you get to choose. If you have a printer that is working and you want to print your pictures out, put them on here. If you don't want to print them or you don't have a printer that's working, you can draw them. That is your choice, all right? If you choose to do it on the computer. Okay, so if you want to do a digital virtual one, you can use this template and insert a text box. Let's say this is the year you were born. So you write the year and the day. Let's pretend I was born in 2012. You want to get fancy and add a line. You can, you don't have to. Right, and then you can insert a picture. We'll just pretend that this is my picture. And I put it over here, right? And then move on to my next item. This is if you want to do the digital timeline. And then here you would obviously type your name. On to science. Science project, the car. This is up to you. I'm leaving it very open-ended. You choose what you use to make the car. This is your choice, okay? I know some people have already finished theirs and they've shown me and it looks really cool. The objective is that you have a car that moves, right? And you have to be able to tell me which force you used to move the car, okay? So are you pushing it? Are you pulling it? Is there a gravity thing happening, right? Did you put it on a slope and it rolls down? Okay. The cool examples that I gave to you guys of the cars with the different like designs, some of them had balloons, so you would obviously blow the balloon up and it would go. All right. The level that you take this is up to you, but your objective is to have a car that moves and for you to be able to tell me which force moved the car. That's your objective. You can use like a cereal box as your car. You can use a piece of cardboard as your car. You can use like popsicle sticks as a car outline. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it does need to move. So think about how you're going to make it move. All right, and just use anything that's in your house. So I hope I've answered questions as far as what you are doing. Like I said, there are pictures of examples of the car online already. I tried to find pictures of examples of the timeline and I failed. There were no good ones. But like I just showed you, you are gluing together paper, taping together paper, or you're gonna fit it all on one piece of paper. Choice is yours for both of the projects, all right? So you just make sure that you do your objective. Bye guys.